Hi there. My name is Basya, and I'm so excited to tell you a little bit about my new line of snacks, especially these cookies right here. First, let me tell you a little bit about myself. So I live in Clifton, New Jersey with my husband and my 5 children, ages 19 to 12. I have twins who are 12. So I'm a weight loss transformation coach. I help people lose weight and keep it off strategically without hunger and without any deprivation. That being said, I found that a lot of times my clients just need a really good cookie. And so I created this snack line. It's called The Snack That Loves You Back, BKSnacking. And this cookie is high protein, high fiber, whole grain, gluten-free, all natural, and it's about 160 to 170 calories per cook. So you can actually feel good about it on every level. I think it's like the absolute perfect cookie. I've had people test it on a glucose monitor as they ate it, and there's absolutely no crash. So I've actually tested this cookie on diabetics who wear continuous glucose monitors, and there's absolutely no spike, and which means no crash, no craving, just satisfaction. And the one thing I didn't talk enough about, because you're going to see for yourself, is that they are absolutely insanely delicious. It's literally the perfect cookie. Comes in 3 flavors, which is white chocolate oatmeal, chocolate chunk, and my favorite, which I'm holding right here, which is the Chewy Caramel. And I'm so excited to bring this snack to you, and I'm so excited to connect with you. Love to hear your feedback. Have a great day.